Our land covers an area of about 6,000 square meters, divided into 3 zones. Here you have the main zone, like a big rectangle interspersed with thickets. We have an area at the back that is secondary, located at the front of the car park. The thing about this area is that it is relatively narrow. Finally, the third zone, where the ParcMow is operating at the moment. It's a fully automatic machine, so it requires very little attention and little maintenance. Looking at the return on investment, it's clear that in 3 years we've recovered our investment on the machine. The special feature of robotic mowers is that mulching provides natural soil enrichment. We realized that there was no more need to add chemical fertilizers. The grass remains fairly green throughout the season, even without them. The environment is very important to us. An automatic mower, or robotic mower, consumes a bit of electricity, but the amount is really negligible compared to the amount of CO2 released by a combustion engine machine. We have meeting rooms on the ground floor. In the past, the maintenance person with a combustion engine mower would be going past for many minutes, even a few hours. It was actually rather noisy. How that nuisance is in the past. The app is used on smartphone only. It's true that it can be reassuring to check the app and find out where the machine is. With the Maps location app, when you haven't seen the ParcMow for a while, it's reassuring to see it on the app. Then you realize that it's just mowing in the thicket behind you. Ours operates during the day, whatever the weather. Wind or rain, no problem.
Belrobotics, the Grassmasters.